Hi guys, today I'm going to make a special tea for all family, especially kids. We need milk, little bit of water, turmeric powder, coriander seed, cardamom, cloves. I got the 3 cloves and some cinnamon. First, we need to do that. Wash the coriander seed first. Put some water and just one time is enough. Just drain it. Put it back. Now we have to fry a little bit. Don't burn it. It should be a darker color, not the black. Now you can see all dry and it's popping now. Now you can see the color is different. Now careful, we're going to put the water. More careful when you got the water. Put a little bit of water. Now you have to add the cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. Now we can add the milk. You have to stir it. Leave it to milk cook, okay? Now you can see that bubbling. It's all milk is cooked now. Now we're going to add the turmeric powder. A quarter spoon of turmeric powder. That's stir it. That's enough cooking. Turn off it. Now you can straight away you can drink it. Otherwise you can add for the your tea, black tea. I will show you. You can straight away drink that. Otherwise you can add to your black tea. You can add some little bit of honey, or brown sugar is good. Now you can enjoy your tea. Enjoy yourself and give a comments and subscribe and like, and thank you for watching our video.